Guys, so look at this happening. This is happening. Look at it. Oh my gosh, look. Oh my gosh, look at him. Oh my gosh, what is that attached to him? Oh my goodness. This is crazy. I didn't know it would happen so suddenly. Oh my goodness. It went from like barely anything to, oh, I have a baby bird in here. It's a baby bird, Jovi. Wow, it kind of looks like a baby dragon at this point. Oh my goodness. Like Game of Thrones crap stuff going on over here. The Queen of Dragons. Yeah, right. Okay. Look at it. Oh my goodness. This is spectacular. John's at the gym right now. He's missing this. I'm recording, so it's okay. Look at it. I'm trying to see where... Oh, there's its head. Guys, I feel like it should have some fur on it, or I mean, feathers or something. It just looks so... Oh my god, I just want to give him a blanket. Look at Chip. Look at him. Hi, Chip. Welcome to the world, Chip. Oh my goodness, welcome to the world. I don't know what to do. I need to take care of you. Oh my goodness. Oh, that happened so fast. Oh my goodness. So I read that too, you're not supposed to feed them for 24 hours after they hatch. So I don't know what to do now. Like, oh geez, I need to restart reading. Okay. I'm gonna let you guys go and let this guy rest, and I'm gonna start reading on what to do. I already read, but I already forget, and I'm panicking. Okay, bye.